Welcome to MathSolve. In this video, we are going to look at graphing parabolic function, and that parabolic function can be coming in terms of general forms, intercept form, or vertex form. So if you look at the general form, which is y equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is constant. And intercept from it could be y equal to a of x minus alpha x minus beta. When I'm talking about the intercept from, I'm talking about x-axis intercepts, and as you know, the quadratic equations or quadratic function, when we are plotting, it can intercept 2 points in the x-axis, or it can be 1 point, or it could no intercepting point with the x-axis. But in this case, we are considering it's intercepting at alpha and beta on x-axis. Okay, and a has a significant contribution that I will explain in my future videos, that a is inverting the graph. If a is positive, it will be concave up, a is negative, concave down. So inverting of the graph can happen by using a. And also if a is a fraction, like is less than 1 and more than 0, which is giving you the wider graph. And if it is if a is more than 1, which is narrowing the graph, and that we will talk in future slides. And what is in the vertex form of the parabolic function? It could be y equal to a of x minus h square plus k. So vertex is, we are talking about the maximum point or minimum point in the parabola, and that maximum point, minimum point is h and k. H is the coordinate for x and k is the coordinate for y in that maximum minimum point. What I'm saying by using maximum minimum, as you know that if you plot a quadratic function, let's say I'm just plotting the graph. Let's say this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, and this is the, just look at the like parabolic graph, just normal parabolic graph is continuing like that. And this is the point where we can see x equal to 0, because this is the y-axis intercept. So y-intercept, I can just write down, it is y-intercept. And this point and this point, I would say these both are called what? X-axis intercept. So x-intercept, right? Intercept. Just put like pt. Okay, intercept. And then at that x-intercept, we know that there is no y. So y equal to 0 here, right? Okay, when you do y equal to 0 in the quadratic function, you will get the x-intercept. And in this case, we are saying that alpha beta. So alpha beta basically representing that x values for these intercepting points. And now you know that by looking at the parabola, you can also see that this point, if you make a vertical line on it, this is called axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry, because this is the line symmetrically divide the parabola, and this vertex point is, we are saying h and k, because this h and k is the vertex, you can see here. So vertex, so it means x in that point is h, right? So we can say x equal to h at that point. So in this line, if I say what is the equation of that axis of symmetry, x equal to h, because h is the coordinate for x. So this distance basically from the origin to this distance is the h, and then the down is k, that makes h and k. Okay, so x equal to h is called axis of symmetry, and k is the vertex, y coordinate for the vertex, and that hk is there, right? Now, so we know these are the important points: x intercepts, in this case y intercept here, and then vertex. As I said, the a had a significant effect on the graph, because if a is negative, then we will see the graph is coming like like that. So it would be like that. So again, this is our hk, this is our axis of symmetry, where you can say again x equal to h, right? And this is our y-intercept. These are the x-intercept, in this case alpha and beta. So it means if I want to get axis of symmetry or the x value of the vertex, you can get by using by averaging alpha and beta. So if I do alpha plus beta divided by 2, it will give you h, right? But if the equation is just in the general form like ax square plus bx plus c, then how to get that x? You can easily get that x equal to h by using minus b over 2a. If the question is coming in general form, what is b? B is the coefficient of x, a is the coefficient of x square, and this is the formula. And basically this formula is, if you look at the quadratic formula, then you will see that x equal to minus b over 2a in the quadratic formula, and that is basically giving you the axis of symmetry where the graph is symmetrically divided. So it means you will get the concave up, if I summarize here, concave up graph when you are having a is greater than 0, and when you have a is less than 0, then you are getting concave down, concave down. Okay, so it means a positive negative is inverting the graph, and a, if the value of a is changing, it is changing the it may dilation. It can narrow or the graph, or it can be wider the graph. We will explain this in future sessions. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel to stay connected. Thank you again.